Okay, here we go again. Little bit of a wobble, but I'm on the hard standing. And for the next week or so, I shall call this home.